Hello everyone, my name is Zarin Shahid and I'm currently pursuing BCom Financial Analytics from Christ University Pune Lavasa. I have chosen this role because I wanted to explore my career paths and also I have a keen interest in marketing, especially in digital marketing. So I am trying my best so that I can pitch this product my best and I can explore my career path in marketing. So, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I am excited to introduce you FinTrack AI, a cutting-edge finance tracking software designed specially for mid-sized company, for those which have 50 to 500 employees, navigating growth and cash flow challenges and operational challenges from day-to-day challenges. In today's fast-paced economy, where dollar counts, manual spreads, and outdated tools are holding businesses back, did you know that mid-sized firms loses an average of 5 to 10% of their revenue due to poor expense tracking and forecasting errors? So, this FinTrack AI solves that by automating your income and expenses, managing them, and delivering AI powered recommendation that derive real business values. So, we'll start with the problem. So the problem we see here is that growing companies like every day they are overloaded with manual work and which leads to decision which are not correct or which might have errors or some forecasting also which can lead to wrong forecasting and then their objectivity of their business and the profit maximization which is the main goal of all the businesses that might be hampered. The solution I bring to the table is FinTrack AI, one platform which completely has the financial clarity, automatically tracks income and expenses, delivers real time dashboards with use of AI generated decisions and forecasting, which might be correct up to 99%. So it is not just a software, it's a smarter way to finance your business. How FinTrack AI works, it is really simple and made user friendly. So simple steps are it has an immediate value, like it can securely connect your bank accounts and cards. Also, it can record up to every day-to-day transaction details, and it can sync automatically to the app and to the software. AI categorize spending with 95% plus accuracy. So whatever at the end of the month or at the end of the year your income and expenses are, according to that, it will give out a based on that data, it will give out a forecast and informative insight through which you can tailor your own strategies to strategize and strengthen your business according to your expenses and income which you have incurred in the year or in the month. The AI insights which will be given to you, so they are insights which are time saving, also money saving. So your built-in finance advisor like instant flags overspending, compares your cost to industry benchmarks, recommends concrete actions, not just reports. So it can give you with proof and evidence. It will give you your insights and forecast the in what in future can happen if your expenses are more or income are more, so what all we can do and strategize our business to earn more profit. So our software does not only track our incomes and expenses for the business, but is also user friendly, and it is designed for the whole team. Finance visibility without micromanagement, employee level and company level views are given. Fast error free and more insightful information is given. Invoicing and payroll integration is there, easy sharing with accountants and leadership, which is more important for earning for the employee especially, and for the business also. So everyone can see what they need and nothing more nothing less, just concise results you'll be getting with this software. So, as far as with concerned with the security and growth ready, it is our software has end-to-end encryption, GDPR compliance, which is basically a set of strict rules and regulation, which is being followed with the software, and role-based access ensures your data is safe. So, as a company grows from 50 to 500 employees, FinTrack AI scales effortlessly without extra costs. Now, what's the value proposition for our business? Simply, we'll put it together like it is time saving, cost reductions, and revenue growth. Mid-sized companies using similar tools report 30% faster month end closes and 25% lower operational costs. FinTrack AI delivers a quick ROI, and most users use payback in under 3 months through automated efficiencies alone. So, why client chooses FinTrack AI? Because adoption is easy and user friendly, and it gives fast results, quick onboarding, and intuitive dashboards, which are really interactive and user friendly, and also forecasting can be done easily. Immediate insights from day to day, and specifically for mid-sized businesses. Also, in terms of finance, whoever is dealing with frequent transactions for expenses and income for purchases and sales, for them it is a really good software for those kind of businesses. So we also give free trial, and for that we have pricing is 1500 per month user per month, which is also a free trial for 2 months is available. So that is the plan for our software. I would like to also take you to a real success story from companies which have transformed with a finance tool like FinTrack AI. First, consider a mid-sized marketing agency with 200 employees. They switched to an AI finance tracker and cut saving up to 1,50,000 yearly in labor while improving spend visibility. Their CFO said it's like having a financial advisor on autopilot. So AI helps in generating those results which would be done or which would have taken a time of 2 to 3 months, but it can be done in a minute or a two. So AI with FinTrack AI, it is much more easier for mid-sized companies to save on their cost and to maximize their profits. Also, we have an emotional value of FinTrack AI, as this is really challenges changes for your business. It can scale up to your employee type and the employee strength of the business. It also gives a peace of mind for the finance leaders who just don't want reports; they want certainty. So there's no anxiety about missing out numbers, no fear of surprise cash shortfalls, no stress before month end or board meetings. Also, there is control without micromanagement. Leaders are often caught between trusting teams and controlling spends. So, it gives a clear dashboards, automated rules and regulations, role based access. So, it is really easy for the management also to have a control without micromanaging it. Respect for our finance team also. Manual finance work is draining and thankless, so it removes that repetitive data entries, reduces error, and free teams to focus on the strategies, to more strategize rather than doing the manual work. There is professionalism. So the spreadsheets feel fragile. FinTrack AI signals gives the strength for the operational maturity. Investors' readiness also is there, and enterprise level disciplines. So it is really professional and a really good software for a mid-sized company. So in conclusion, I would say that FinTrack AI isn't just a software, it's a partner in financial excellence for a mid sized company. And it means empowered teams, smarter spending also, and sustains your growth. So, our pricing starts at 500 per month per user for the business tier with a free trial to get started for 2 months. And I would love to hear your feedback on this pitch. So, thank you so much for my pitch presentation.